Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to talk about barriers to communication. There are a lot of barriers why we are not able to communicate in a particular manner or a particular way. Now today I'm going to run you through a lot of barriers of what we face in our day-to-day life and which makes our life so difficult to communicate correctly. Let's go through these barriers because if we do not know what are the barriers to communication, maybe we do not have a scope of improvement. So friends, let's focus on certain barriers of communication. Definitely the first and the foremost barrier of communication is your physical or environmental barrier, which is caused by various things. First, it's time, it's space, it's place, it's climate, noise, and definitely choice of medium. So these are the complete barriers which are responsible for us not to communicate in a particular manner. The next barrier to communication is caused by wrong choice of medium. So there is something that is wrong in our channel or our medium of communication why we cannot communicate well. The third barrier to communication is systematic barrier. Semantic barriers. Friends, semantic barriers are majorly caused because of connotative communication and connotative meanings. We will definitely run you through what is connotative meanings. The next barrier to communication is cultural barrier. Cultural barriers are definitely the major reason for not communicating very well, which is diversity of cultures. We in Maharashtra are with different cultures. We are unity in diversity, we all know that. But then, friends, it's also very important for us to understand how culture can help us to communicate really well, and of course, how it can also be a barrier to communication. So, there are both things, vice versa, importance and definitely a scope of improvement, right? So, the next barrier, let's move on to the next one. The next barrier is psychological barrier caused by different attitudes, mood swings, relationships. These are all psychological. These play a major role in our everyday communication. Whether we really have the right powers of communication, but our psychology sometimes depends on our moods, our attitude, and the relationship. Sad. But then, yes, this is one of the major barriers of communication skills. The next barrier of communication, the last one, is the perception of reality. So barriers caused by perception of reality, which are caused by level of understanding. What is my perception of certain things? How do I take it? What is the reality? What is my level of understanding or my level of comprehension about a certain things? Or my level of understanding and comprehension together. So friends, all these are the barriers of communication. We will run through each one of them in details. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and tune in to Ekeeda.